Okay, now, what is your name?
My name is July.
No, girl.
July Pop.
I'm July. You Pop.
No, it's not.
I'm July.
Girl, check the outfit. Check the outfit.
Oh my goodness. Just. Okay. And ooh, Lord, thank you. Look at her. And what is your name, beautiful? My name is July. Girl, how you gonna have my name?
I'm July. You Pop.
Fine, I'm Pop. You wanna know why they call me Pop?
Girl.
Look at her. She just working it. Work it, girl.
Where's my hat?
Where is your hat?
Did I take it off?
I think.
Did I have it on?
I don't think you had it. Who? Huh?
Hold on, take the camera.
What?
Refund and pharmacy, please. Refund and pharmacy.
Girl, just wait. Is that
Hello?
Mama?
Hello. Is this how we get?
Yes.